Hey guys, I was so worried about this, but it actually turned out to be pretty easy. You just take the little screw caps out and that's what you had. Here's the two caps. One's for vent and one's for the actual fluid draining and filling. Anyway, coming to you from underneath my Tango. Doing an oil change for winter, before winter. Got this kit right here from West Marine. Looks like that. And inside there, they give you one of these. You have to put this little straw in there. It goes right in your high performance gear lube quart. And I found it will work fantastically because this little attachment here threads right into the inlet there, which matches the drain plug. Okay. All right, so here's the tube. I kind of spun it the other way so I can spin it in to the fill. Okay, this is the fill. The center one is the fill port. It's kind of going in quite a bit. I gotta unspin this. Okay. There, now we can spin this. Maybe you just go for it. I don't know. It's in there. Okay, so now we're gonna pump and watch the level. Look at this. Oh yeah. Pump it up. Pump the jams. Oh, with the fill plug. And I do still have the vent plug out, of course. Boy, I'm getting tired of pumping. Okay. Oh, look at that. We're gonna put the plug in real quick. And not a lot came out. We're gonna take this out of the way. I need to put the other plug in. Okay. Because we don't want to lose any. I need the screwdriver.
Max, can you get the screwdriver?
I got it right here. Okay. We're going in with the plug. Not so bad.